Hey guys, this is a future repair. This is a Killer Instinct board. The CPU, all the solder connections are broke on it. I already put it under the microscope. I will try to zoom in here since I don't have a camera on the microscope. I'll try to zoom in and show you the connections. They're all broken. This is Killer Instinct. One day I'll upgrade my microscope, but my microscope is a really good microscope. It's not trinocular, so it's hard to adapt a camera, or it'd be nice to be able to show this what I see under the microscope. But we're gonna have to just deal with a crappy cell phone. Try to get that up closer. But yeah, it looks like all the pads are still there, so I will put it under the microscope and do a little bit more further examination. Shaky, shaky, shaky. But yeah, I'm not sure what glue, what that is on the bottom of the board there. So I will resolder that CPU when the time comes, when I get time to throw this on the bench.